how much should you actually spend on a high-pressure shower head? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, AquaCare High Pressure Shower Head. The AquaCare High Pressure 8-mode handheld shower head caught my eye right away with its sleek premium chrome finish and a price of $31.99. Honestly, if you want a shower experience that leaves you feeling refreshed and clean without the hassle of clogs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. It features an 8-setting power head with self-cleaning anti-clog nozzles, meaning no more worrying about grime buildup affecting your water pressure. With a flow rate of 2.5 gallons per minute, you'll get that invigorating shower experience you crave, even if your home's water pressure isn't ideal. Plus, it's designed for easy cleaning, something that's crucial for maintaining a hygienic shower. Now, some people complained about its installation being a bit tricky. But here's the thing, once you get it set up, it offers a fantastic spray pattern that genuinely surprised me, especially the built-in power wash feature. It's perfect for cleaning your tub or even rinsing off your pets. This is perfect for you if you have pets or simply want a high-performance shower head. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra-budget friendly. Now, if the AquaCare's installation bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JDO High Pressure Handheld Shower Head. The JDO High Pressure Handheld Shower Head is another solid option priced at just $19.92. If you're looking for something that easily adapts to your bathing needs with multiple settings, this one's definitely worth considering. With 6 different spray options, including a water-saving mode, you can customize your shower experience. The upgraded air induction technology delivers a strong spray even at lower pressures, which is great if you live in a place with inconsistent water supply. Plus, 54 anti-clog nozzles ensure you won't deal with the annoying lime buildup that can ruin the flow. Now, some buyers mentioned that the pressure could be slightly underwhelming compared to other models. But honestly, I found that the variety in spray options more than makes up for it, especially if you like to switch things up depending on your mood. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in your shower experience. Skip this one if you need the absolute strongest pressure possible. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a luxurious shower experience. Product number 3, SparkPod High Pressure Range Shower Head. The SparkPod High Pressure Range Shower Head, priced at $36.99, offers a luxurious shower experience that I think you'll love. The polished chrome finish looks fantastic, and if you want a rain-style shower that envelops you, this is a great pick. It's all about that high-pressure rainfall effect. This shower head is designed to cover your whole body with water, giving you that spa-like experience at home. With easy-to-clean nozzles, you won't have to worry about hard water deposits that can ruin your shower experience. Plus, it installs without any tools, which is a breeze. Now, some users reported that the water flow might be a bit too forceful for their liking. But here's the thing, if you enjoy being thoroughly drenched, you'll probably appreciate that powerful downpour. This is perfect for you if you love a rain-style shower that feels luxurious. Skip this one if you prefer a lighter water flow. Now, if you liked the idea of a rain shower but want more versatility, then check out this next one. Product number 4, BOZYBO Magnetic Dual Shower Head. The BOZYBO High Pressure Rain Shower Head is a unique combo priced at around $40. If you want options, this dual shower head system is definitely something to think about. With a 12-inch fixed shower head and a handheld option, the flexibility is impressive. You can switch between 10 spray settings, allowing you to customize your shower to your heart's content. The innovative magnetic docking system makes it super easy to switch between the two. Plus, the larger coverage means you'll feel like you're under a waterfall. However, some users mentioned that the magnet isn't as strong as they hoped. But honestly, as long as you secure it properly, it holds up well during a shower. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile showering experience with both fixed and handheld options. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward, single-function shower head. Now, if you're intrigued by the versatility but want something a bit different, wait until you hear about our last pick. Product number 5, BOZYBO Chrome version. The BOZYBO high-pressure range shower head in chrome is the same versatile design but with a classic look. Priced similarly, it offers you that same luxurious shower experience. Just like its black counterpart, this model features a dual-head system that allows you to switch between a fixed rainfall shower and a handheld spray. With 278 nozzles, you'll get amazing coverage. Plus, the easy-to-clean design means you won't have to worry about maintenance as often. Some reviews pointed out that it could be a bit bulky for smaller showers. But here's the thing, if you have the space, the larger design offers an incredible experience that makes it worth it. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish shower head that doesn't compromise on function. Skip this one if you have a compact shower space. To wrap it all up, we've covered some fantastic options today, from the AquaCare's cleaning features to the luxurious Spark Pod and the versatile BOZYBO models. There's something here for everyone's needs and budget. In conclusion, whether you're looking for something that's easy to clean, want a spa-like experience, or need versatility, these 5 high-pressure shower heads have got you covered. Each offers unique features and benefits, so you can choose the one that fits your needs best. Happy showering!